Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Check your OS version and confirm you have admin rights, because system themes require elevated changes. Once done, update display drivers to avoid rendering issues and export any custom color profiles so you can restore them later. Now open Settings or System Preferences immediately, navigate to Personalization or Appearance, and select Theme or Color. You're taking decisive first actions to prepare the system. This prevents conflicts when applying dark elements and system-wide UI changes. Next, activate dark mode centrally, then customize. Choose dark theme and colors and enable dark or auto for supported apps. This makes UI elements consistent. Once done, open browser settings and set dark or force via flags if needed. Make sure to adjust night light or true tone and lower color temperature to reduce blue light. That improves readability and reduces eye strain. Finally, tweak contrast and accent colors to maintain visibility. These steps harmonize app Chrome, text, and backgrounds across the desktop. To finish, set a schedule so dark mode applies automatically, sunset to sunrise or custom hours. This keeps transitions smooth. Once done, test apps, File Explorer, and login screens. Sign out and sign back in to ensure all components adopt the theme. If something looks wrong, restore your exported profile or recreate the user profile. Key troubleshooting tip: if UI glitches or icons remain bright, update or roll back the GPU driver and disable third-party theming utilities. These commonly conflict with system dark settings and cause visual artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.